Hey everyone, welcome back to Peak Adventures, and I'm Jordan. We're here with another Carowinds Park update, and there have been some big changes happening since our last visit. Let's get right into it. Demolition on Nighthawk is still going strong. Since our last update, Carowinds has been actively removing the ride's lift hill. We also noticed that the ride supports for the lift hill are slowly disappearing. During our visit, we saw a crane in action lifting up and moving a support piece away from the ride area. Drop Tower, on the other hand, is now completely gone. In our last update, we saw the tower being dismantled piece by piece, but now the Carowinds skyline looks very different without it. Drop Tower has been a part of the park since 1996, so it's strange to see the thrill zone without it. And once Nighthawk is fully removed, the change will be even more dramatic as the skyline loses two tall structures. We discussed tree removal and land clearing near the parking lot in the last update. During our recent visit, not much significantly changed. Currently, construction equipment remains staged in the parking lot near the construction site. We'll keep our eyes on this space as it develops. Inside the park, Camp Snoopy construction is moving forward. Work continues on Snoopy's Racing Railway, a family launch coaster, and Charlie Brown's River Raft Blast, a boat ride that's sure to get guests soaked. These rides have a pretty low profile, so from outside the park, not much has changed visually. However, in the parking lot, track pieces and ride supports are still staged, waiting to be installed once the foundation work is complete. Carowinds also gave us a sneak peek at Snoopy's Racing Railway by posting a photo of the ride's train on their social media channels. The train has officially arrived on site and is stored at the Grove, Carowinds picnic and event space. Beyond new attractions, Carowinds is also working on park-wide maintenance to keep things fresh. Thunderstriker is getting brand new seats on each train. Goldrusher is receiving a fresh coat of paint, and the Carousel horses are also getting a repaint to make sure they look good as new when the park reopens on March 15th. One of the biggest topics right now is how the Six Flags and Cedar Fair merger is affecting Carowinds. While details are still unclear, restructuring is happening, and recent news has confirmed that some employees at Carowinds will be facing layoffs. The park hasn't shared exactly how many workers are affected or which departments are impacted. But this is certainly not a pattern that only affects Carowinds. King's Dominion, Carowinds' sister park, also laid off an unspecified number of full-time employees. And that's it for this week's update. There's a lot happening at Carowinds, and we'll be keeping a close eye on all the changes leading up to opening day on March 15th. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Until next time, keep exploring with Peak Adventures.